Okay, and today we have my buddy Craig's 2015 GMC Sierra two-wheel drive 5.3 pickup truck. He actually bought this thing wrecked and fixed it, and it looks brand new. It only has 11,000 miles on it. He did a excellent job, and he brought it in, and I did a little bit of a tune-up on it. It is totally stock, and it made 277 horsepower, and then after I tuned it, it made 312, so we picked up a massive amount of torque and about 35 horsepower to the tire. And the first dyno pull is stock, second dyno pull is tuned. Not really much of an audio difference, but I have the dyno chart at the end. If you watch the two overlays, it is pretty amazing the difference just a little bit of computer tweaking did for this guy.